Welcome, beautiful soul. Today we're doing a gentle 30-minute beginner Pilates session designed to reconnect you with your breath, your strength, and your inner calm. You don't need experience, flexibility, or perfection. You just need your body, your breath, and this moment. Begin by sitting tall, placing your hands on your knees, and closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Feel your shoulders soften, your spine lengthen, and your body arrive. Set an intention for this practice. I am here to strengthen, soften, and reconnect. Take one more deep breath and let's begin. Move on to all fours with your hands under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. We'll start with gentle cat-cow movements. Inhale as you drop your belly and lift your chest, opening your heart. Exhale as you round your spine. Tuck your chin and draw your belly in. Move slowly and intentionally, letting your breath guide your body. Shift into soft hip circles, loosening your spine and releasing tension around your hips. Sit back into child's pose, reaching your arms forward and letting your forehead rest. Take a breath here, allowing your body to melt into the mat. Come back up to seated and roll your shoulders back and forward, letting any remaining tension dissolve. Your body is waking up, your breath is guiding you, and you're ready to move deeper. Lying your back with your feet hip-width apart and your arms by your sides. We'll begin with pelvic curls. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift your hips slowly, one vertebra at a time, until your body forms a gentle diagonal line. Hold at the top, inhale, and exhale as you roll down with control. Feel your core engage and your spine lengthen. Bring your knees into tabletop and move into single leg stretch. Extend one leg out while the other stays bent. Then switch and switch again. Keep your core steady and your breath soft. Place your feet down, interlace your hands behind your head, and lift gently into a small chest lift. This isn't about height. It's about awakening your center. You're not forcing anything, you're simply connecting. Stay on your back and prepare for glute work. With your feet hip-width apart, lift your hips into a bridge. Hold at the top, feeling your glutes activate and your thighs strengthen, then lower slowly. Repeat this movement, letting your breath guide the lift and the release. Extend one leg long and lift your hips again for small pulses. Then switch sides. Move slowly, breathe deeply, and stay kind to your body. Come onto hands and knees for leg lifts. Extend your right leg back. Lift it gently and lower with control. Switch sides. These movements build stability, strength, and grace. Lie on your side for the side lying series. Rest your head on your arm and lift your top leg slowly, then lower it with control. Feel the outer thigh engage and the hips strengthen. Make small circles forward and back, keeping your core steady. Switch sides and repeat. These movements support your posture, balance, and alignment. You're sculpting with softness, strengthening with ease, and moving with intention. Roll onto your stomach for back and posture work. Place your hands under your shoulders and prepare for swan prep. Inhale, and as you exhale, lift your chest gently, keeping your neck long and your shoulders relaxed. Lower slowly. Feel your back muscles activate and your chest open. Extend your arms long by your sides and lift your chest and arms for a gentle back extension. Hold for a moment, then release. Finish with soft shoulder rolls while lying on your stomach, releasing tension and opening your upper body. You're rising into your posture and creating space in your body. Sit back into child's pose for your cool down. Take a deep breath in and exhale fully. Come to seated and extend your legs forward. Fold gently over your legs for a hamstring stretch, letting your body soften without forcing. Cross one leg over the other for a gentle spinal twist, then switch sides. Bring your hands to your heart and take one final deep breath in, exhaling slowly. You've just given your body 30 minutes of strength, presence, and love. You showed up, you moved with intention. You honored your body. Thank yourself for being here. This is your reset, your grounding, your return to yourself. Stay lying on your back for a moment and let your breath settle. Feel the warmth in your core, the softness in your shoulders, and the steadiness in your breath. This is your body waking up, your energy shifting, your presence deepening. Take a slow inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth, letting your whole body melt into the mat. You're doing beautifully. Now bring your knees into your chest and give yourself a gentle hug. Rock side to side, massaging your lower back. This movement is small but powerful. It releases tension, soothes the spine, and reconnects you with your center. Let your breath guide the rhythm. Inhale as you rock to one side. Exhale as you rock to the other. Feel your body soften with each breath. Place your feet back on the mat and extend your arms out to the sides. Let your knees fall gently to the right for a soft spinal twist. Keep your shoulders grounded. Breathe into the stretch. Feel your spine unwind, your ribs expand, your body open. Hold for a moment, then bring your knees back to center and let them fall to the left. This twist resets your spine and calms your nervous system. Let yourself sink into it. Come back to center and roll onto your side. Then gently push yourself up to a seated position. Extend your legs long in front of you. Sit tall, lengthening through your spine. Flex your feet and reach your arms forward. Slowly fold over your legs, keeping your spine long. This isn't about touching your toes. It's about creating space in your body. Breathe into the back of your legs. Feel the stretch deepen with each exhale. Slowly rise back up and come onto all fours again. We'll move into a gentle thread, the needle stretch. Slide your right arm underneath your left, lowering your right shoulder and right cheek to the mat. Feel a stretch across your upper back and shoulder. Let your breath soften the tension. Hold here for a few breaths, then switch sides. This movement opens the upper body and releases emotional tension stored in the shoulders. Return to all fours and extend your right leg behind you. Lift the leg gently, then extend your left arm forward. This is a balancing movement, slow, steady, intentional. Engage your core, lengthen through your spine, and breathe. Hold for a moment, then lower and switch sides. This exercise strengthens your back, glutes, and deep core muscles while teaching your body stability and control. Sit back into child's pose again, but this time walk your hands to the right side of your mat. Feel the stretch along your left ribs and waist. Breathe deeply into the side body. Then walk your hands to the left and stretch the right side. These side stretches create space in your torso and help your breath flow more freely. Come up to a kneeling position and step your right foot forward into a low lunge. Keep your back, knee on the mat, lift your chest and sink gently into your hips. This stretch opens the hip flexors, an area that holds a lot of tension from sitting, stress, and daily life. Breathe into the front of your hip, switch sides, and repeat. Let your breath guide the depth of the stretch. Now come to a seated position with your legs crossed. Sit tall, lengthening through your spine. Place your right hand on the mat beside you and reach your left arm overhead, stretching through your side. Feel the length from your hip to your fingertips. Switch sides These gentle side bends help release tension in the waist and ribs, improving posture and breath capacity. Place your hands on your knees and begin gentle seated circles with your torso moving forward to the side, back, and around. Let the movement be fluid and intuitive. This releases the lower back, massages the hips, and reconnects you with your breath. Reverse the direction and continue circling. Let your body move in a way that feels natural and nourishing. Take a deep breath in, lifting your chest, and exhale as you round your spine, drawing your belly in. This seated cat-cow variation brings mobility to your spine and warmth to your core. Repeat a few times, letting your breath guide the movement. Feel your spine loosen and your body soften. Pause here and place your hands over your heart. Take a slow inhale and a long, gentle exhale. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your breath. Feel your presence. You've already given your body so much care, strength, and attention. You're not just moving, you're reconnecting with yourself,